Hello, welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is a special Monday edition. My Bluprint order came in. It actually came in on Thursday, but you're watching this on Monday. So I wanted to show you what I got. This was a sale that they offered for one day only. I placed the order, the sale was last Monday. I placed the order that day. It shipped on Tuesday and I received it on Thursday. So let's see what I got. I will put the prices of everything because I'm guessing. I don't remember offhand what I spent. I bought a sweater's quantity of some autumn color yarns. Now all of the yarns that I got are called Camino Alpaca. And they just have a color number, but I'll tell you what they were. The contents of this, 60% wool, 20% alpaca, and 20% nylon. It is extremely soft. It is a fingering weight yarn. So in a 50-gram ball, there are 200 meters or 219 yards. So here it is. I have two of the gold. I think they called this goldenrod. So I have two of the goldenrod. I have two of what they called light pumpkin, I think. One was gold, one was goldenrod. I think this was gold, and this is goldenrod. It's kind of an orangey gold, though. And then I got one kind of a burnt orange color. And I got this one, which is called pumpkin. And I bought two leaf greens. And two, I think these were forest green or deep green. So all together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 skeins of yarn. So this should be more than enough. This is going to be, like I said, a fall cardigan. So it's going to have buttons down the front. And I'll try to hold up a sample of all the different colors. So those are all the different colors that are going to go into it. I'm not sure if I'm just going to kind of randomly stripe it as I go. I'm not real sure, but I just wanted something that was fall colored. So that's what I got this for. And it's going to be, like I said, a fingering weight cardigan. And I will put all the information in the credits section at the end here of what I paid and what it normally was. I do believe these were 8 something a skein, and I got them for 3. I got them for 3 something, if I remember rightly. Like I said, I'll put it at the end exactly what the bill was, what it came to. And the shipping on this was really good. It was only $4.99 flat shipping in the U.S. So altogether, it was a great deal. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, stay tuned to see what I make out of it. And thanks for watching my special little Monday haul.